Hi everyone. So today we are going to analyze lots of forex pairs over here, and I hope that will help you throughout the week in order to take some good trades, high probability trades, and you will trade them and those setups only accordingly, right? I am sharing my setups like what I have analyzed for a week for this upcoming week, and we are going to trade that only. Okay, so let's start with without wasting our time. If you like the video, do subscribe it and turn on the bell notification. Okay, I'm being a YouTuber. It's okay. So today we are going to analyze first USD CAD. So USD CAD, if you'll see, so it is forming a double bottom pattern on daily time frame, right? If you'll see the first bottom is right here hit, second bottom is right hit, and the best part is that it formed already a green candle, which a bullish engulfing candle over here, if you'll see. So this is a bullish engulfing candle which indicates some sort of bullishness, definitely. So what we can expect, we can expect price movement up to neckline. Okay, so up to neckline, if you'll observe, so this is a scale tool, we are going to calculate. So this is around 130 pips. If you will able to catch 70 to 80 pips, that's more than sufficient for you. So take your target accordingly in this USD CAD. Okay, so let's go up. We have CAD CHF. CAD CHF is also falling to its previous low area. Okay, so it's not our use right now. So we are going to go on Euro GBP. Euro GBP. It's such a good pattern, right? What it is doing, it is confusing. How it is confusing on daily time frame, if you'll see, so it is forming a double bottom, right? And if you'll see it on 2 hourly time frame, okay, so it is forming a double top pattern, right? Well, this is really confusing because on daily time frame, if you will trade, so it has higher probability to go up. On 2 hourly time frame, if you will trade, so it has higher probability to go down. So what to do in this such kind of situation? So in this kind of situation, we always choose to prefer the probabilistic time frame, like in which time frame the pattern is perfect, in which time frame there are high probabilities related to correlation. So let's say if we'll go to daily time frame and we'll watch. Okay, so in daily time frame, it is forming a double bottom. How can we do right here? That we will wait for market to open. Okay, so our direction will be decided by market. So let's say that if market opens and this high, okay, on a 2 hourly time frame, this first high, if it breaks, right, if it breaks this level, if you look at RSI, so there are medical chances that it is going to break or what. So what we are going to understand, that if market opens and this level breaks for upside, then we will go with the daily time frame. Like we are planning, okay, this is going to be bullish. If it goes downside, let's say it forms a red candle and again a red candle, so our target will be around neckline level, first target. So this is how it works. And if you'll also see, so it is forming. Why I'm saying that this pair is quite confusing, because it is also forming an inverted head and shoulder, which is a bullish pattern as well. So probabilities are much in favor of going upside. So we'll see that in which direction it should go. If you don't see that what is inverted head and shoulder, so it looks like this, right? And if it breaks this, so here we go for the expected target. If it goes for upside, there are high chances it is going to break this. Let's see what market is going to do, because every moment in market is new. GBP USD. Okay, so GBP USD, if you'll see what we have, so we have some sort of double top here as well, but distorted patterns I hate, so I am not going to trade GBP USD. Instead, I have NZD USD as well. I'm not going to trade it, but I have Euro USD. So Euro USD, if you'll see on 2 hourly time frame, it is showing you something. If you'll see it 1 hourly time frame, it is also showing you something. Now it comes to perfection, right? Whenever we trade patterns, it comes to perfection. So what we are going to do here, we have a double top. A double top setup we have. So we can plan our trade for downside in Euro USD specifically, right? Well, it depends on how market opens, but there are chances that it will go down. GBP AUD, GBP CAD, no trades. GBP JPY, GBP JPY forming some inverted head and shoulders, and but that too is distorted. We have Euro GBP, Euro GBP, not much significant. AUD JPY. This is a good trade, right? If you'll see, so it is a form, it already formed a good structure for a double top setup. And now it is having high probability that it should go around 94.60. If it breaks this level, so then we can expect 93.93. These kind of targets we can expect. First target will be neckline, second target will be the point where it is started to form. So any pattern, if you trade a pattern, the best and ultimate target is from the level it started to form the pattern. So let's say that if a pattern starts from this level, okay, it comes down, goes up, so the starting point, this point, right, this point is the target, ultimate target. And in case of double top and double bottom, we short at this point, our target is some sort of neckline. So that's how we plan our trade according to confluences. Okay, NZD JPY is breaking it upside and giving it a retest, which is quite disturbing, but we are not interested in it. We are interested in AUD JPY. Now it is time for CHF JPY. So CHF JPY, as we have discussed earlier as well, that on daily time frame, if you will see, so it is on the verge of creating a double top, which is I am highly expecting, right? So if it is going to form a red candle over here, I'm going to go for short side in a JPY. So most of the JPYs are correlated and they go in same direction. So here what we are going to do, we are going to wait for a red candle, and if it forms, we are going to go in. Maybe it will be 3 days or 4 day trade, but the target is definitely obvious and expected. CAD JPY has already given a sufficient movement on daily time frame. If you will see this, we have traded this pattern as well. Right here, it's okay. We are not going to trade it. We always prefer to trade high probability setup, the setups which gives us something. It's not like we trade some random price action and everything. If a pair decides not to give some good probability trades, we are not going to trade that specific pattern. So always try to trade the pattern which matches with your strategy, which matches with your edge, and then plan your trade. Okay. Now, if you'll see this is USD JPY and USD JPY on 1 hourly time frame. If you'll see, so don't you think that it is forming some sort of a premature head and shoulder that is inverted as well? Okay, so if it is inverted, here we have witnessed a fake out, right? Fake out can be tradable, but right now what I'm expecting that if this comes to this level again, so it may form an inverted head and shoulder, which looks like this. And if USD JPY goes up, you know where gold is going to go, right? Because gold and USD JPY are inversely correlated with each other. So if gold goes down, let's say if USD JPY is going to go up, so gold is definitely going to go down. DXY on 1 hour time frame, let's see on 4 hour time frame what it is saying. So walking on the path of USD JPY. Now it's time for gold. Yes, gold is on very specific level. It has trapped inside a zone. And last day as well, we are planning to short gold. I have taken some short positions as well in gold, but it goes up, and I made some losses, like not losses because I have not booked the position yet. I am still in the sell of gold. So let's say if it breaks for downside, which is high probable, right, there are high probability that gold is going to go for downside. So if it goes to break, if it is going to break this, so we are expecting 1934 level or 1935 level in case of gold. But if it goes and keeps on ranging, so it is definitely gold is waiting for some news to come, and then it is going to break the zone. But ultimately we are expecting gold to go down. But it is market, so if it goes up, so we have to prepare for that as well. So going up means that it is going to break for upside. So if it is going to break for upside, there is high probability that it will go really up, right? 2000 it will touch. Okay, let's see how gold is going to react in this, because on daily time frame and weekly time frame, if you will see, so it is the daily time frame in which gold has given a breakout, then it went to the level and let's say retested it already. So from here, if gold reverse, so we are definitely expecting some good bearishness in gold, because in weekly time frame it formed a double top, if you sorry triple top, if you will see. And currently It is on the verge of forming head and shoulder, which is quite not obvious. But gold is quite interesting pair this week. It is going to definitely interesting. So what we are going to do, we are going to just look at 1 hour time frame, and we'll trade gold on definitely 1 hour time frame. If you look at the momentum basis, momentum in gold is quite declining, right? So momentum is in gold is declining, price being on the same level. So um it is saying that something is fishy happening is gold in gold, so we can trade gold for downside. So the downside will be a high probability trade. If it goes for upside, I'm not going to trade honestly. Well, it depends on my mood. So this is it for today, guys. I'll see you again in the next video whenever I'll make. So bye. Do subscribe the channel and increase my followers.